To create an opportunity, go to a contact or account card and click on the plus icon in the corner of the Opportunities submodule. Next, give your opportunity a title along with an expected signing date and sales stage advancement, as both will influence your dashboards. These 3 fields are the most essential. If you don't have time to capture the entire opportunity, always make sure you have completed these 3 fields. If you have an order number, you can enter it here. Remember to assign the opportunity to one of your representatives or users. Next, select one of the income types you previously configured. If you have income type subcategories, you can add them here. You can also enter a description if more information is required. You can edit the number of units, the unit amount, and the profit margin. Revenue and profit will be generated automatically. Finally, you can add as many items as you want to an opportunity. Once your opportunity is ready, save it and you can access it in the Opportunities submodule on the right side of the page. It will also be visible in the Opportunities module that will be discussed in an upcoming tutorial. Stay tuned.